Riwruog jopuonj mar KUPPET okwedo okang' ma jonyuol moko nyocha okawo mar monjo kendo riembo lep japuonj maduong' mar sikund sekondar ma St. Gabriel Isonga bang' nyithi skundno rem e penj mar KCSE. Riwruogno omiyo TSC seche maromo 24 mondo odar jopuonj duto manie sikundno mondo obed ranyisi ne sikunde mamoko bende. KUPPET bende dwaro ni sirikal omi jopuonj arita ma oromo to ahinya e gwenge mag Baringo kama nyocha jomaundu onego jalup japuonj maduong' ma skund primar ma Chemoe.
Good results are products of efforts between so many stakeholders. The facilities provided by the public and the government, teachers, pupils and parents. In this regard, there was no way one could condemn only one party without others. The Member of Parliament and other stakeholders who spearheaded the demonstrations against the principle did it in bad faith, and therefore the union wished to demand that the Teacher Service Commission withdraws all the teachers from that school and other institutions that have experienced the same to serve as examples to the rest.
Wale walimu pia walioko sehemu za Mandera ambao walimu walitoka huko sababu baadhi yao walikuwa wameuawa, saa hizi Teacher Service Commission inawarudisha kule kwa lazima. Tunaambia Teacher Service Commission hao walimu waondolewe kwenye sehemu hizo ambao tuna hali ya security ya kutosha mpaka ile wakati ambao tutakuwa na security ya kutosha.